everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 10th to the 14th of November 2025 on Monday. Dot connect when Gabriel visits Felicia. Ishmael's good intention are met with hostility. Mpumi hopes and dreams land in Mrs. hands on Tuesday. Wendy is vibrating the lifestyle that awaits him. Two punches in Bonko still want to continue marrying Owetu. Young love affects the lives of 3 families on Wednesday. Felicia faces growing pressure as secrets unravel. Bishop Hlophe is caught at a crossroad. As one star shines, another dwindles on Thursday. A mother is forced to make a decision that will destroy her son's future. A young woman stands up for herself during an intervention. A young producer steals an uprising songwriter's dream on Friday. Bongo learns the hard way that the Tibetan name don't or doesn't give you a free pass. Msizi continues to go down dark path, and Nobuhle ignores Felicia's desires and takes the road less traveled. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.